Would you like to get flat, firm, sexy abs without ever getting on the floor for painful sit-ups, boring crunches, or gimmicky ab machines? Well, now you can with Shaun T's Hip Hop Abs. This breakthrough weight loss system combines fun cardio dance with targeted ab sculpting moves so you burn the fat off your body and get the flat, firm, sexy abs you've always wanted.
Hip Hop Abs is workout meets dance, high energy, and serious core work while you're having a good time.
I'm doing a cool dance move, but I'm working my abs.
Just feels like I'm dancing. It doesn't feel like I'm really working out, and then you get these results.
This revolutionary ab sculpting system is fun, it's easy, and it will give you the abs you've always dreamed of without a single sit-up or crunch. These images are undeniable proof that Hip Hop Abs works. No matter what your age or fitness level, Hip Hop Abs will transform your abs and your body faster than you ever thought possible. Start your transformation with secrets to flat abs. Then burn calories and dance off the pounds with fat-burning cardio. Now it's time for Ab Sculpt, where Shaun shares more signature standing ab moves. Get the six-pack you've always dreamed of without getting on the floor for a single sit-up or crunch. Finally, step it up with Total Body Burn, a head-to-toe workout that combines cardio with total body sculpting. To accelerate your weight loss results, you'll also get Shaun's step-by-step eating plan. Plus, the Hip Hop Abs workout calendar shows you which workout to do each day so you get maximum results. Using Tilt, Tuck, and Tighten, you'll activate your upper abs, middle abs, lower abs, and obliques at the same time, so you get better, faster results. It's so powerful, you can lose 3 inches off your waist in the first 6 days, guaranteed.
So in 6 days, I can wear jeans that I haven't worn for years? That's worth it.
Get ready to lose weight and sculpt beautiful, flat, sexy abs without a single sit-up or crunch with Shaun T's Hip Hop Abs.